Can I show you 5 completely different ways to make animated videos in Canva that most people don't even realize are possible? Videos that people are already using to grow their channels and businesses faster? Some of these methods are so surprising, you'll wonder why nobody's talking about them. We will make this 5 animations. We will start with the simple one, and don't worry. All the process is easy, so make sure you watch till the end.
First thing first, let's create blank new project. Select video format. Click on Elements tab. And on the search bar, type what you are looking for. In my case, a background. When you click on any of the element Canva will bring to your design, make necessary adjustment. You can change your design at any time you want. Again, click on Element tab and search for character. This time click on this 3 dot and filter animated only. This is quick hack to get animated object. Now simply bring the character to your design. And there you have it, a simple animated character is ready. Moving on to another style where we will learn to move character from one place to another. Select background image. Now we will search for a walking person. Click on 3 dot to filter animated only. Now click on this Animate button. Then this B icon. After that, drag the character from one side to another. And select movement style to smooth or steady. You will have a walking person animation. We will create this animation. Search for ocean background. And make sure you drag the image all the way like this. It's time to bring our character. This looks nice. Adjust and drag the character all the way up. And start to fill with other elements like fish. Make sure you filter animated only. Here is one thing you have to be very careful. You need to group the fish with the background. Don't group scuba diver. On the same page, input other element. Simply drag the page and go to end. And input other element. Okay, now go to top. And duplicate the page. From here, drag the scuba diver like this. Again, duplicate the page. Also shift the background as well. And bring the character to this side. Duplicate and bring it to the depth of the ocean. Now this is where the real magic begins. Click on this button. And select match and move. Adjust timing. Make sure you apply between all 3 pages and your animation will be ready. Let's create this car animation. For background, I will choose street. And bring one car. This time, we will animate the background. Now for our final animation, we will create this pop-out animation. Input the main element. Now, we will add few more elements. Right-click on any element. Click on Show Timing. You will see a blue bar this where you can increase and decrease the timing of an element. Decrease the timing of this element as well. Okay, elements are look like they are popping up. Now just add some animation.